Hello beautiful people, welcome to another beautiful day and a new video. Today I am doing a day in my life and it's mainly going to be around the city. So here in Queensland, Australia, the rules have relaxed a little bit in terms of like where we can go. I think we can go up to 150 k's away from where you live. And especially during the day, and so we are out and about. It's a beautiful day, bit of clouds, but that's okay. So anyway, to start off, I will do an outfit of the day. So I've got this denim jacket from Factory, the top is from H&M, pants are from Zara, and the boots are from 9 West, my all-time favorites. And my jewelry is always from Lavisa. So yes, so obviously we are in autumn at the moment. Oh, actually, are we in winter now? Autumn, winter in Australia,
yeah.
Like in Queensland, it doesn't really make too much of a difference because it doesn't get so cold, but it does get a little bit cool. During the day it can be quite nice. So we've come to a place here called Park Lane. It is in Everton Park, and we're just gonna have some brunch, and then we'll do a little bit of shopping for the week, and then the day is basically going to consist of us going to Southbank and having a picnic and then watching the sunset over the bridge. So let's get food into our bodies. The struggle of YouTube is so real sometimes when you go to like public areas, because a lot of times there's music in the background, and so like we can't really talk, and so that's why I couldn't really say much when I showed the acai bowl. But my verdict for that acai bowl, personally I won't get it again. It just was not as tasty, the fruit was not as fresh, and so yeah, I didn't really enjoy it as much, but it was filling. So that's that. Sorry if I offend anyone, but I have to be very honest, right? But I'm sure. How was your coffee though, Lawrence?
Coffee was nice.
Coffee was nice. So yeah, coffee is nice. But obviously this is the first time I'm having anything from the Acai brothers. So maybe there's other nice stuff. We'll see. We'll see if I'll try something else another time. Also, the other thing is actually quite expensive. It's like $15.50 for the large bowl. That's the most expensive acai bowl I've ever had, so I'm not sure if I want to pay that price, but I'm sure it works for other people. Just my opinion. So we're now going shopping around the Everton Park area. There's lots of fresh produce places. There's the neighbourhood market, and then we've got Coles, and then we also have Woolworths on the other side. So talk about aesthetic, guys. Oh my god. Hey guys, so the shopping went a little longer, but anyway, we are now on our way home, and then we're just gonna pack up for the picnic. and head off to southbank to have a picnic, and hopefully we'll be able to watch the sunset as well. Hopefully it's a beautiful sunset. There's a few clouds, so that's usually, we like to think that it's usually a recipe for a good sunset, so we'll see how we go.
Thank you, Ma. Yeah. Oh, sorry, I'll hold that.
That's alright.
Thank you. Hey guys, so we are in Southbank currently, and it is such a gorgeous day. Lots of people out and about. Southbank is one of those places that honestly just brings everybody together, and there's lots of different spots. There's pretty ones, there's rugged ones, there's industrial looking ones. There's all kinds of different foods from different countries. You'll find Italian, you'll find Lebanese, you'll find Asian. I haven't yet seen any African food restaurants, but I'm sure it will come one day soon. You can find Australian cuisine, all kinds of things. So we love coming out here and just chilling and enjoying everything that there is about it, and it overlooks the city as well. And then there's then there's the Brisbane River that divides the city and Southbank, so lots of really cool places. And then the greenery, the flowers, oh my gosh, I can just go on and on. The other thing I really love about it is also that there's a man-made beach. Currently it is closed, obviously because of the whole corona thing, but also because it's winter, and I know that usually in winter they close it and kind of do renovations and a whole lot of stuff. So I highly recommend to come to Southbank if you're not from Brisbane. So we've stopped for a break. I'm having a chai latte from the Lost Bin, and Lawrence is having a latte as well from them. And so we're just gonna have a quick little break here and have something to eat. So we've gotten some burritos from Guzman, White Gomez. We've got some vegetarian ones, and so we're just going to enjoy that. So that's how it's all wrapped up. So obviously we're not going to eat too much because we'll be having a picnic dinner soon. So see you guys later. These flowers, oh my god, this is what I love about Southbank. You find everything. Like how colorful this is right up my alley. I'm so tempted to pick them, but I know I probably shouldn't. Just the flowers. So I'll be respectful. So one of the things I love about Southbank is this patch of like literally concentration of greenery. It's kind of like a forest in the middle of the city, and it's like my dream living room with like all kinds of beautiful plants, because as you can see, as you can see, it's not just trees, it's not like, there's all kinds of species here of trees, as well as just like plants that you can actually have at home. So I just, every time I come to Southbank, I love to walk around this little spot, and it just makes me it boosts me with green energy, like with nature's energy, and I can't complain. It's incredible. Guys, finally we arrived to our destination for the picnic. So it's actually just the Wilson's Outlook, and so we are about to devour this because we're actually pretty hungry. So this is just a quick little picnic that we could make. We've got some margaritas we made at home, and then we've obviously got some pawpaw for dessert, like a little bit of fruit for dessert. This is like a eggplant kind of like mix of things that I made at home. We've got some bread, pistachios, some chocolate, and some crackers, sweet potato, red cabbage, and some freshly made guacamole. So we are just going to enjoy this while watching the sunset. Like, this is what I mean when I say a bit of cloud is always good for a sunset. Look at that. Comment down below if you like doing picnics, and if you do picnics, what do you like to take on a picnic? Oh, this margarita is amazing. Oh my god, yes. Quarantine has made me become really good at making cocktails. Cheers. Just asking if you could like, comment, and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And if you are, thank you very much. I appreciate the support, I appreciate the love. Otherwise, you guys have a wonderful day or night wherever you are, and bless.